Good morning. My name is Danish Analalaki Ajinta Kumar and my teammate's name is Danish Analalaki Murthy and Kalisnath Tamil Chelvan. Today we are going to present about our essay 1 from the subject Computer Architecture and Organization. First of all, I'm talking about the Intel Core i9-10900K. This core is fast in games. Other than that, impressive single thread performance. It is also good performance in day-to-day jobs. Chipset with upgraded networking. The next thing is ARM Ryzen 93950X. This is the CPU core 16 and threads 32. Other than that, thermal solution liquid cooling system available. And the system memory specification up to 3200 MHz. Base clock speed of 3.5 GHz. This can maximum boost clock speed of 4.7 GHz. The third thing is Intel Core i5. The top rated performance in application and games. It also comes bundled with a cooler, has 6 core. The 2 cores make gaming a breeze no matter how heavy the software is. This also includes 6 cores with no hyper reading, good warranty, easy in install and good compatibility. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Danish Analalaki Murthy. The second question of essay is the generation of computers. For the first generation, it's from 1940 to 1956. They used vacuum tubes for circuitry and magnetic drums for memory. This computer in this generation used machine codes as a programming language. This type of computer generates a lot of heat and slow input and output devices. They are also huge in size, very costly and consume a lot of electricity. As for the second generation, which is from 1956 and 1963, in this generation, transistors were used that were cheaper, faster and more reliable than vacuum tubes in first generation. One transistor is equivalent to 40 vacuum tubes. Magnetic core were used as a primary memory, and magnetic tapes and magnetic disks as secondary storage devices. In this generation, assembly language and high-level programming language like Fortran and COBOL were used in this computer. As for the third generation, which is from 1964 to 1971, they use integrated circuit to replace for the transistors. In a single integrated circuit, there is many transistor, resistor and capacitor along with the associated circuitry. The integrated circuit was invented by Jack Kilby. This development made computers smaller in size, reliable and efficient compared to the second generation. In this generation, remotely processing, time sharing, multi-programming operating system were used, supported by high-level language.
Hi, I'm Kalisnath Tamil from DTK 3B. Today I'm going to explain about 4th generation and 5th generation. So the first thing is 4th generation. Computers of 4th generation use very large scale integrated circuit. Very size circuit having about 5k transistor and other circuit element with their associated on a single chip made it possible to have microcomputers of 4th generation. 4th generation computers become more powerful, compact, reliable and affordable. As a result, it gave rise to personal computer revolution. In this generation, time sharing, real-time networks, distributed operating system were used. All the high-level languages like C, C++, DBase were used. Okay, the second thing is fifth generation. VLSI technology become ULSI ultra large scale integration technology, resulting in the production of microprocessor chips having 10 million electronic components. This is generation based on parallel processing hardware and artificial intelligence software. Artificial intelligence is an emerging branch in the computer science which interprets the means and method of making computers think like human beings. All the high-level language like C and C++, Java are used in these generations. Thank you.